Hey everyone, today we're going to make pasta alla chitarra with pancetta and fresh peas. Let's start by prepping some of our ingredients. Thinly slice some of your red onion. Clean a few garlic cloves and mince them up. Then pick and finely chop your flat leaf parsley. Next, grab your pancetta and cut the pieces into half-inch dice. Now, we're going to blanch our fresh peas by dropping them into some salted, boiling water for about a minute. Then shock them in ice water until they are completely chilled. Once the ice is melted, go ahead and drain your peas. Then gather up your other prepped items because now it's time to start cooking. Place your pancetta in a sauté pan over medium-high heat. And as you cook it, the fat's going to render out of the pancetta, leaving you with some nice crispy pieces. Reserve them, but don't drain the pan. We're going to use this fat to sauté the rest of our items. Add your onions to the pan with the pancetta fat and sauté them until they are nice and soft and slightly caramelized. The pan was a bit dry at this point, so I added some extra virgin olive oil, then back in with some of those sautéed red onions and some finely minced garlic. Once that garlic has softened a bit, go ahead and add your crispy pancetta and sauté everything over medium heat for a minute. Now it's time to add some crushed tomatoes and those blanched peas. You can buy the tomatoes already prepared and that's perfectly fine, but I prefer to purchase whole canned San Marzano tomatoes and crush them with my food mill. While your sauce is simmering away, drop your pasta alla chitarra into some salted boiling water and cook for about 2 minutes. Once the pasta is done cooking, drain it, then add it to your sauté pan with this delicious simmering sauce. Give the pan a few tosses to combine everything together. And if your sauce tightened up a little too much, feel free to add some of the pasta water into your sauté pan to loosen it up. Finally, add that chopped parsley. Season your pasta with a little bit of salt and freshly ground pepper. Give the pan a few more tosses to combine everything again, then it's time to plate it up. Finish the dish off with some crumbled ricotta salata, and you're done. Enjoy! If you enjoyed the video, please hit that like button and consider subscribing. Thanks so much, and I'll see you next week.